welcome to Cloud Bridge. Today is 31 of July, Monday. Let's have a look to the dollar index first. We mentioned we had this beautiful range to the downside, okay, creating a super bearish situation for the dollar index. We mentioned the previous week, 2 days in a row going bearish, which I thought probably could be the next move to the downside, but in the end we continue our upside move, okay, with the dollar index. I believe for the moment we can have some more retracement to the upside, but my personal opinion is the long term going to the downside. Dollar index in 1 hour, we can appreciate right here we had a bearish trend, okay, in 1 hour. We absolutely broke it on Thursday, and we are currently, I believe, in an upside move in 1 hour, but as I said in daily, I remain bearish. Gold in daily, I was personally looking for upside moves in gold, okay? We had 2 bullish days in a row, but the next day, which it was Thursday, we broke it to the downside very aggressively. For the moment, I am still looking bullishness in gold. Gold in 1 hour. Here is the Thursday we mentioned in daily. Amazing downside move, super aggressive. We are currently trying to reach to the upside, but very slowly. Remember, this move was really fast, so we have a lot to cover to the upside now. I believe for the moment my personal target this week, it will be 1982, which is around these levels. That's personally what I am expecting this week. GBP JPY in daily. We had these beautiful downside moves in the short term, but check this out on Friday. Amazing Friday we had. We started around here the Friday and we end up right here. So that's more than 400 pip move in only 1 day. Personally, that tells me that the market is really bullish and trying to reach to the upside. GBP JPY in 1 hour. Like I mentioned in daily, we had a beautiful 400 pip move on Friday range, okay? Personally, I am expecting in the long term to take out the 184 level even in the GBP JPY. Personally, I am bullish with this pair. Euro USD, we can see here beautiful downside moves, okay, but in the short term. Why? Because I believe we have this beautiful range to cover, okay? So we have right now a retracement in daily, but in the long term, I am personally looking for buying scenarios. Euro USD in 1 hour, we can appreciate beautiful downside moves in 1 hour. And Thursday, thanks to the news we had the previous week, we had a beautiful downside move for the Euro USD. I am personally bullish in the long term as long as we don't break this level. This is the 108.38. As long as we don't break aggressively that level, I am personally bullish. GBP USD in daily. We had this beautiful upside move range, basically the same as Euro USD, and we are having in daily a retracement to the downside, okay? Beautiful opportunities to take short trades, okay, going to the downside, but same situation for Euro USD. I remain bullish with this pair in the long term. As long as we are above this level, which it is the 125.91, as long as we don't break that, I am still bullish. GBP USD in 1 hour, beautiful downside moves, okay, for the previous weeks. It seemed like we broke here in the short term, okay, 1 hour, and we were bullish, okay, at least for a moment, but same situation. Thursday, we had news in the market and beautiful downside move for the GBP USD. Personally, we have for the moment a range on Monday. I am personally looking for the news of the week to see how this market develops, okay? I am personally patient for the moment with these pairs. I hope you enjoy this, have a nice trading week, and be safe.